Hi friends, let us fold this square into a parallelogram. What we do is take this square paper, okay, just fold it into half exactly like this, okay, fold it into half exactly like this. And then what you do after that, after folding into half, again fold it into another half, right? Simple. Fold it into another half. Okay, and press it properly so that the crease should form properly. Now you got this. Now what you do is very simple. Take this edge and join it to this edge. Okay, just fold it till here, till this edge. Then just let the crease form properly. Then take the opposite side. Okay, take this edge and let it join here. See here, I just fold like a triangle from here and let the proper crease form. That's all. You see now your parallelogram is ready. Simple. Okay. Now take the paper and try on your own. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.